Welcome to Java Programming from Codeway. In this video, we will be discussing about naming conventions. Naming conventions are the rules that are to be followed for defining class names, variable names, and method names. These are the rules that are framed by the Java programmers. If you are not following the rules, compiler will not raise you an error. But yes, every programmer, every Java programmer has to follow these naming conventions. Now let's look into the rules that are to be followed when defining the class names. All the class names should start with uppercase. All the class names should start with uppercase. If the class name consists of multiple words, then every word should start with uppercase. Spaces are not allowed. And again, same, we should also follow the identifier rules along with these naming conventions. So here are some of the examples that are to be followed when defining the class names. All the class names should start with uppercase. So F is uppercase, starting with an uppercase here. First program, now class is having multiple words. So the first word is first and the second word is program. So if the class consists of multiple words, then every word should start with uppercase. So F is in uppercase and P is in uppercase. If you just look at the last class name, string out of bounds exception, there are multiple words, then every word should start with uppercase. S is in uppercase, I is in uppercase, O, B, E. So this is how you define the class names. All the class names should start with uppercase. If the class consists of multiple words, then every word should start with uppercase. Methods. How should we define the methods, or what are the rules to be followed for defining the method names? All the method names should start with lowercase. Class name should start with uppercase, but the method name should start with lowercase. If the method consists of multiple words, if the method name consists of multiple words, except the first word, every word should start with uppercase. Except the first word, every other word should start with uppercase. So get result. There are two words here. So get is in lowercase and R is in uppercase. Get student details. G is in lowercase, S and D are in uppercase. To print, T is in lowercase and P is in uppercase. So usually when you are defining the method names or the class names, always we should give the meaningful names. And so preferably method names can be verb or a noun. Now, let's look into the rules that are to be followed for defining the variable names. All the variable names should start with lowercase. If the variable consists of multiple words, then except the first word, every other word should start with uppercase. So again, these rules are same as the methods. But how can we differentiate? Always methods have the parameters block, but the variables don't have it. For example, if I need to write get details as the method name, we write the parameters block. If get details is the variable name, we just write get details. So by looking at the parameters, we can identify whether it is a method or a variable. So the rules for defining the method and the rules for defining the variable are same. We can also define the constant variables in Java programming language. What are constant variables? The variables which cannot be incremented, decremented, or reinitialized. Such kind of variables are called your constant variables. In C programming language, we used a keyword called cconst, but Java does not support this keyword. So instead of const keyword, Java is using another keyword called final. So whenever we want to define a constant variable, we use the final keyword. And how should be the variable names? Every character should be in uppercase. All the names of the constant variables should be in uppercase. Every character must be in uppercase. If the constant variable name has multiple words, then words must be separated by underscore. Words must be separated by underscore. So price So here every character in uppercase, by looking the name itself, I can identify that this is a final variable because every character is an uppercase. Min age, so there are multiple words and I'm separating with an underscore. And these are the rules that need to be followed for variables, methods, classes, and the constant variables. And there are also some other rules. They are called as Java Bean rules. And Java Beans, that is a class of the API that which are used to write the components. So when we are defining the methods using the Java Beans, or when I'm defining a Java Bean class, how should my naming rules be? If you are using a method to get the details or get an output, then we start the methods by using get. We start the methods by using get. If you're defining a method to set a value for a variable, then we start the method with set. For example, I have a variable of type int marks. If I want to set the value for this variable, then I write a method set marks. If I want to get the value that is present in this variable using a method, then I write get marks. If your method is a Boolean, if your variable is a Boolean, or if your method return type is a Boolean, then we write a method starting with is. So these are the Java Bean naming rules. Remember, these are the naming conventions or the naming rules that we need to follow when we are defining the classes, variables, or the method. Thank you all. Thank you for watching our video. You can reach us at codebayprogramming@gmail.com.